Do you have some boiled rice in the fridge? And then you have some curry leaf. Just chop the curry leaf and mix it with your parboiled white rice. This is exactly the color you get. Hi guys, welcome back. Then you are going to have some diced sweet carrots, and then if you have some shrimps or chicken or turkey, whatever it is that you have, then go ahead and dice some onions, some red onions, and then you have some butter in your fridge. Come on, let us make this delicious meal. All you need is just these 5 ingredients to have this delicious meal that we are about to make. Make sure that your rice is already parboiled, okay? Then you are going to get your pot, of course. If you have non-stick pot, is okay, but if you don't have, it is still okay. Whatever pot you have, this will go for it. Cut some good amount of butter into your pot, depending on the amount of rice that you are making. What I'm making here is about 1 kilo of rice, so be careful. Now you are going to add your shrimps into this melted butter and cook on a low heat. Add your onion, and guys, before I forget, inside the shrimp is already the maggi, the salt, and the pepper before I started frying it inside this melted butter. But if you want to add yours later, it is okay. Make sure that you parboil your rice with salt also. That is very, very important. Okay. So after that, you are going to add this vegetable rice into that mixture and mix it properly, guys. Make sure that you are making this on a very low heat. Do not fry it. Do not allow it to burn. You are just going to allow everything to mix properly, the salt, the pepper. Then you are going to just add little water into the rice, depending on how soft and how hard your rice is. Then you are just going to cook for another 15 minutes. This is what you get. And guys, depending on the type of rice you are using, here I am using the local rice. So if you are using basmati or you are using any of that type of rice, maybe your cooking time is going to be different from mine. So you are just going to turn it. Make sure you are cooking on the low heat, okay guys? And then you are going to add your nicely diced carrot into it. And after adding your carrot, you are just going to mix. Go ahead and mix the rice together. The rice is almost done, like I said. The amount of time you are going to make this rice, cook this rice on a low heat, depends on the type of rice you are making. So once you add the carrot, just allow it to steam a bit again, and then voila, your rice is ready. It takes just about 20 minutes to make this rice, and because my rice is a local rice, it needs more time to cook. If you're using basmati or any other rice, you probably will not even cook it up to 15 minutes. So I am going to serve dinner now, and also I'm going to transport it with some beetroot salad and smoothie. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.